Welcome to Siem Reap. We just arrived to Siem Reap. It cost $30 tourist visa for 30 days. Yeah. Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Disco lights, and here we can work. Pancakes. Looks so good. I should have taken pancakes. We are at Pub Street at Siem Reap.
And do get a lot of fish massage here. Shake for $1.
Use dollar bill here. We're gonna rent some bicycles to bicycle to Angkor Wat. It costs $5 for 2 bikes.
Angkor Archaeological Park Ticket Center. It's far away from the park, so we buy it 1 day in advance.
We're gonna buy 1-day ticket, $37 duck eggs for $1. It's gonna be awesome. So this is the duck egg and this is the feather. So yeah. 5:45 and we are on our way to Angkor Wat. We are on Angkor Wat.
It's a sunrise. We are kind of missing it.
Angkor Wat at its finest, sunrise.
This is Angkor Wat, and you get in from this side and see the sunrise. Then we bicycle back and this way, all the way. Here, this is Tom Rider Temple, Ta Prohm.
And we made it to Ta Prohm, but they open at 7:30. It's like 900 years old.
Here you can actually see where all the cool trees you can take photos with are. Trees, I think it's so cool. It's so big. This tree is called Anaconda.
Famous Tomb Raider tree is behind me.
We're here early, so it's not too many people.
That's good.
It's a big tree.
Banana bread.
Big trees are taking over the temple. Adventure in the jungle. And then we bicycle this way to a tiny temple called Ta Prohm, which we climbed.
I just made it to the top. There's Sarah.
Over the water. We actually took a photo of something here, so like that little thing too. Through that gate, Victor Gate. It was pretty cool. Continue to Elephant Terrace. I want to see Pre-Account Temple, so we bicycled up here first to see that one. I want some cookies. I'm a cookie monster, remember? We're walking right here. You could fall any second. Here on the north side, you got the building with 2 floors, and then we bicycle down again here.
We are at Bayon.
So Bayon with all the faces on.
4 stairs.
And here's some bats.
Batman's behind it.
Peter Pan shade. Have you seen all the faces? Right there, right there, right there, right there.
Cool faces. And at the top of the head, there's a lotus. Everyone.
Oh yeah. A pig playing here in front of Bayon Temple. Go a long way over here to get up to the royal palace. Looks like a puzzle.
My palace, welcome.
What's your head?
My head hurts.
No, you can't. Where's Tifa?
Made it to the top.
And then it's on the top of the royal palace.
The royal palace.
Where's Mowgli? Coming.
I thought the wall had collapsed a bit, but it's a Lang Buddha.
That's really cool.
It's part of the royal palace. And then we bicycle down to South Gate. This is the South Gate, the cold bridge again. And now we're gonna take Angkor Wat. We started with it and we're gonna end with it. We're back to Angkor Wat.
Yeah.
And we got umbrellas up because
Middle of the day and it's really hot. Angkor Wat.
Angkor Wat, that's it. No heads left on the lions here. Inside of Angkor Wat. We got a background pass to climb Angkor Wat Tower. We are in Angkor Wat Tower. Just chilling.
Yeah.
And we bicycled home. Here's the city. We live here somewhere. So it was a long bicycle ride. It took like half an hour up here.
We just changed hotel, much cheaper.
You can choose between these.
We are enjoying mango drinks.
Temple Wasam. We are at my Japanese friend's cousin's Japanese restaurant in Siem.
And now iced tea. Is it Etienne Crete? How are you?
Good.
Nice.
Pleasure to meet people in random places.
Yeah. Lucky to meet the disciple Etienne Crete, and he's making famous podcast about Forex, and I'm a fan. So it's nice to meet him. Pop Street. So we're gonna cross the street in Siem Reap. It's like a lot of motorbikes. Show that you want to pass.
Eggplant and tofu. Look like?
A famous dish in Cambodia. We are eating at our favorite place. It's like $2 for all this food. Thank you for the stay. We are leaving Siem Reap. We're going to Hanoi.
So today, Kim for Siem Reap. Kim for Canada, we travel and tour. This is the end our show in my nose. Stay safe.
Don't forget to like our videos.
And subscribe.